Hey y'all, I'm Candace Mitchell-Harris, the founder and CEO of MYAVANA. We're a beauty tech company and we created a personalized hair care system to support you at every stage of your hair journey. And you can start by downloading our app. It is a hair care concierge where you have your own hair care support team. You can do consultations with a hair expert, get an analysis of your hair's texture, type, and condition, get recommendations on the best products to use, and even instantly, just by taking a photo. And education throughout your hair journey for different styles, techniques, and anything you need to have healthy hair. And not only that, you can also request a stylist whenever you need that professional touch to get your hair just right. So MYAVANA is a go-to solution, and I created it just for you because we all need support, right, on this hair journey and our life journey as well. So go ahead and download the app and join me on the journey to hair nirvana with MYAVANA.